talk about the weather. Today wasn't quite 50 degrees, but you can't have 50 every day. Nope. But it does seem that no complaints.
No complaints, Brian, but can you make sure that we don't dip back down into the 30s? Okay.
I failed you already. Jeez. Back to you.
Tall task.
Look at this last 7 days, though. This is what we were hoping for in November, just to be in the 40s and 50s where we should have been. Instead, we couldn't get out of the 30s. Our coldest day of the last 7 was last Tuesday at 33, and that's above normal. Yesterday, 50. Saturday, 44. What a weekend. And even though a cold front came through last night, we stayed in the lower 40s. You got to like cold fronts like that unless you're a true hardcore winter fan. And I know a lot of you are wanting some snow because we're getting closer and closer to Christmas. We'll talk about that coming up here in a minute or two. Mid to upper 30s across most of the area. Racine was 44 for the warm spot, 43 Janesville, Kenosha 41, 36 in Sheboygan. So we had the sunshine all day. The wind was up just a little bit from the weekend. That's what made the weekend even nicer, that the wind was so light. We have now cooled down into the upper 20s to lower 30s, 35 in Milwaukee with a light northwest wind. And that light wind and that clear sky because of this high pressure anchored right over us, and it will stay over us tonight and tomorrow as well, giving us the lighter breeze and the sunshine. The light wind, though, tonight will allow those temperatures to drop back into the 20s, which is a little bit above normal, and we should see frost developing late tonight into early tomorrow morning. High temperatures in the Midwest, all over the place, from 22 in International Falls to 54 in Kansas City. There's a warm front to the south of us, but it's also then going to pull down some colder air behind a storm system by the time we get into later on, it looks like Wednesday night into Thursday. The next 12 hours, we're going to be dropping into the 20s. 24 is the low temperature here in Milwaukee. The average low is 19, so above normal. But once again, with the light breeze, no additional wind chill, but there will be some frost in the morning. That'll quickly melt because temperatures are going to rapidly warm up into the lower 40s once again tomorrow, at least 10 degrees above normal. The sun will be out because of the high pressure, and the wind's relatively light. We'll start to pick up late in the day as this warm front pushes through southwesterly at 5 to 15. Notice how quiet it is in the middle part of the country. We'll watch another cold front make its way into Minnesota by late Wednesday. That could bring us some light rain Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Maybe a few flurries early in the day come Wednesday. But other than that, it is going to be warm and quiet. 44 tomorrow, 42 for Wednesday. Some showers after sunset. The rain likely into the overnight hours. A little wintry mix early on Thursday morning. Could see some flurries on Friday, and 37. So that cold front only drops us into the mid to upper 30s, which is still above normal, because cold fronts this time of the year could mean below zero. We're nowhere near that. And Christmas Eve on Monday, 34 and sunny. There will probably be a 100% chance that this is a greenish brown Christmas.
Oh,
no way.
Greenish
Skiers
brown.
and snowmobilers will not be happening.
No.